and the date is 11/17/23. We're dividing 3 digits by 2 digits. Okay. We're going to start with an easier one. It's actually 2 digits by 2 digits, just to prove a point. 22 divided by 22 is 1. It goes into 1's column. It fit once. Right? Minus 22, 0, no remainder. We're done. It's 1. Let's look at the next one. 22, 220. 220 divided by 22. Well, let's think for a second. It's our thinking color. 22 times 10 is 220. Right? So, we know it's going to be 10. Look where it goes. It goes in the tens column. It's 110. 0. Does 22 go into 0? No. 10. And we're done. Let's look at another one. You might see the answer already. $22 into 440. Well, we can think about it. 22 times 10 times 2. This is 220 times 2. Has to be 440. So we know it has to be 20. Let's prove it. How many times does 22 go into 44? It goes in twice. 2 times 22 is 44. Nothing there. 20. Let's look next. Now we're going to get into a difficult one. $32 $721. No. Will 32 go into 7? No. Will 32 go into 72? Sure. How many times? Well, let's think. 32, 32, 64. Twice, we're not going to fit another one in. So it's got to be 2 times. It didn't go into the 7, it went into the 72, so it's over the 2. 2 times 32 is 64. 1, it becomes a 12, 81. Will 32 go into 81? And here we have to think again. Think. What's 32 into 81? 2 is 64. 3 32s would be 90-something. So it's got to be 2 again. 2 times 32, 64. Let's subtract. That becomes a 7. It's 11 minus 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Will 32 go into 17? No way. Here's our remainder. We have 17, 30 seconds left. That's the end of it. Take a look at the example on the top of 3.6, and off you go. Do half of those problems. You get to pick.